Hello everyone, it's Yuto from tbsp.com, and today I'm gonna show you how to make a simple and delicious Japanese sesame spinach salad we call Horenso no Goma-ae. This recipe only takes about 15 minutes or less and serves about 3 to 4 people. So first, take a saucepan of water and start heating it. This should be enough to cover the spinach. While we're waiting for that, we can prepare the spinach. First, I'm going to cut off the bottom of the stems that holds them together. Spinach in Japan is always sold like this with the leaves and stems intact. It also has quite a lot of mud and sand on the surface, so cutting off the ends allows us to clean it more thoroughly. Next, take a bowl of cold water and place the spinach inside. Just rub the surface to loosen and remove the dirt. Once you're happy with them, you can wash them under cold running water to remove any leftover dirt. Now I'm going to divide the spinach into thirds. The thickest part is the bottom of the stem, and this takes the longest to cook. Then the leaves at the top are thinner and cook the quickest. I also recommend tying them together like this. I'm using cooking strings, which is 100% cotton and safe to use with food at high temperatures. Tying each part together makes the cooking process easier and more convenient. In hindsight, I probably could have tied them together first and cut them after, but it's up to you. Okay, now let's cook. Place a bowl of cold water next to your stove, ready for later. Once the water is boiling, add 1 teaspoon of salt. Now, add the thick part of the stems first and boil them for a minute. I add each part of the spinach in order of thickness. This helps prevent raw stems and overcooked leaves. We can ensure every part of the spinach is perfectly cooked. Next, we add the middle part and cook them together with the thick part for 45 seconds. Finally, add leaves and blanch them for just 30 seconds. After 30 seconds are up, use tongs to transfer the spinach to the bowl of cold water. This will halt the cooking process and help maintain a good color and texture in the spinach. While that's cooling, we can move on to the sauce. Take a large mixing bowl and add half a tablespoon of white toasted sesame seeds, half a tablespoon of dashi or water, 2 tablespoons of ground sesame seeds, a tablespoon of light brown sugar, half tablespoon of soy sauce, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix it all together until it becomes like a thick paste. Once it looks like this, we can add our spinach. The spinach has been sitting in the cold water, so it's nice and chilled now. Squeeze out the water thoroughly and remove the string before adding it to the bowl. Squeezing the spinach is an important step because we don't want to make our sesame dressing too watery. Mix it well until all of the spinach is coated in the sauce. This looks good to me, so it's time to dish up. There you have it, Horenso no Goma-ae, a quick, easy and delicious dish that you can serve as a side or put in a bento box. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, I'd really appreciate it if you like it and subscribe to my channel for more tasty Japanese recipes. Thanks again, hope to see you next time.